Now, my 3 challenges in my previous video involved a few turns of the cubes using my right hand. Like that. But what about my left hand? And what about adding them together? You see, 2 in one hand is the start of challenge 4, which is altogether a bit more interesting. But first, it's back to Ravi, and it's 2012, the year in which he did something no other had recorded themselves doing, solving 1 Rubik's Cube while juggling it and 3 other objects. And then he did it again, and again, and again, because once wasn't enough. But what he didn't do, and what no other person has done to this point, is juggle and solve 4 cubes. And so I ask simply, can it be done? That's my progress. 1 solved out of 4. I think I'm going to give this a rest for today and come back to it tomorrow. It was at this point that I realised it was easier to do the standard pattern with 4, which is called the fountain, rather than what I was doing previously, which was columns in one hand and loops in the other. 2 cubes. So this is pretty tough. The cubes are travelling faster. It's about 4 throws per second. With 3, it's about 3 throws per second. So that means less time to think and less time to make turns after catching. Admittedly, that was 1 turn per cube, 4 in total, and to solve from full scrambles would probably need about 200 turns. You have to walk before you can run. One day, maybe, I'll solve 4 fully scrambled cubes while juggling them. Thank you for watching. Till next time.